Hello, welcome back to Doodle Studio. Let's draw Alex from Minecraft. We're also going to color her and add a bit of detail. Are you ready? Because I am. Let's go. So first, let's draw a line like this. First, we're gonna start with her head. So just 3 basic lines. Like I said, Minecraft characters are easy to draw. Just a bunch of lines. Just follow what I do. The most complicated part is the head. So if you're following the lines like this and like that, you'll do well. So right now we're just doing her hair. Alright? So another one like this and another one like that. So just follow what I do. And then the final line to finish her head. Then we're gonna go here with another line for her ear. And this is a 3D Alex, by the way, not just front view. So we're gonna do something a little fancy right now by doing this. And now her head outline is finished. Let's just add a bit of these lines to add detail and another line going down. Next are the eyes. So just draw 2 lines like that and then finish it up like this. So we can draw rectangles for her eyes. Just like this. Okay, eyes are finished. We'll just put a little bit of detail to give it that Minecraft eye look. And next is her mouth, another rectangle. Like this. Now our Minecraft Alex is taking shape. Now continue by doing this. Minecraft characters are so easy to draw. If you follow what I do, you'll surely learn how to draw Alex from Minecraft easily with these step-by-step tutorials. Okay, now that we have her hair, remember Alex has hair going down to her body. Now we'll do the shoulders just like this. And then let's jump over to her body. Okay, now her arms. Just a couple of long lines like this. And just like before, we get that 3D look. And finish her shoulder like this. And finish up her arms like this. Now, for the other part of her body, just like what I said, it's just all lines. Very difficult to do it wrong. Once you master this drawing, make sure to show your friends so you can show off how good you are at drawing Minecraft characters. And then her legs to her feet. And there we go. Next, we're gonna do something a little extra. Let's draw a diamond pickaxe. Luckily, it's also easy. Couple of lines, no edges, just lines. Just follow how I do it. Draw a small triangle here, completing our diamond. And then a series of lines here, here, and here. Don't worry and take your time, by the way. Drawing is not a marathon, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And there we go. The top of our pickaxe is almost finished. And we'll stop here. Because next we're gonna draw her arm. Actually holding the pickaxe. Minecraft style. As you can see, this tutorial is very easy. Even beginners can follow. And then we'll just connect this here. And our Minecraft Alex drawing is almost finished. Let's just finish the end of the pickaxe over there. Now let's color her. Time-lapse time. Add green for her shirt, brown for her pants, and peach color for her skin. And then of course, diamond color for the diamond pickaxe. Then let's add a little bit of shadowing. This is optional, by the way. Time-lapse time. And we're almost finished. And there we have it. Minecraft Alex is now finished. If you like this content, like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.